Alright, so now the top law colleges other than national law universities, best law schools in India, we are going to talk about today, right? There are lots of backup options which can be considered, and what are the things that we need to keep in mind, right? Let's talk about them in great detail. Alright, so now firstly, when we're talking about top law colleges in India other than national law universities, there are lots of private colleges. There are a few government options, government law colleges whose options are also available. So we'll talk about them as well in great detail. Before we move forward, you have a great opportunity, guys. If you're preparing for your CLAT or other entrance exams for law, you can avail the free 3-day trial access at BYJU'S Exam Prep. A very simple process. You just need to download the app, and you can fill the details required for the free trial access, or alternatively you can download it from the link provided in the description of the video. Alright guys, I'm sure you would be thinking whether or not we should have a backup option, right, for our entrance exams. This is often something which lots of students actually ponder over, right? Lots of people actually make this mistake also of having no backup option at all, right? I was also one of those, you can say, when preparing in the year 2009. I was preparing with no backup option, which was definitely a big mistake, right? You should, yes, I was lucky enough to get into a national university, but then again, one off day and things can go haywire. So it's always best to be prepared with a plan B. You should have a backup option just in case things do not go as we intend them to, right? In that case, what should be done, right? Backup option is definitely something which is required, right? So now I will be sharing a detailed list of backup options which will definitely help you out in your upcoming hunt for your dream college. हाय विवेक, हाय प्रीति, वेलकम सोहेल, सभी का स्वागत दोस्तों, बहुत बहुत वेलकम. Alright, now these are a list of top law entrance exams which we can aim for. Number one, of course, we are all aware about, that is CLAT, right? I'm sure most of you have also appeared for CLAT exam. There are lots of national universities which you can actually consider for your, just a second, something wrong with the pen. Yeah, so CLAT is definitely one such exam which I'm sure all of you are aware about. Lots of national universities up for grabs. In case that does not go well, yes, we have ALIT as well. If in case ALIT also does not go as we think it should or it will, then we have SLAT, right? Symbiosis Law Admission Test. Now when I say this, there are a number of options available in Symbiosis as well. Which one to consider, which one you can skip, we'll talk about that as well. MHCET, Maharashtra Common Entrance Test. MHCET Law is again an exam which you can definitely target. You can target BHU admission test. You can target Christ entrance exam as well, CULEE. You can also target Jamia BALB along with CUET, right? So these are some other entrance exams which you can give for your law entrance exam, which will provide you 5-year law course, and definitely no such disadvantage will be there. If we talk about Symbiosis, look at this. There's Symbiosis Law College Pune. One branch is there in Noida, then there is Hyderabad and Nagpur. Comparatively, the best Symbiosis Law School is actually Symbiosis Pune, right? It's the oldest as well, so that definitely has a huge advantage, good alumni base, and all the good things you've heard about Pune, about Symbiosis is actually coming from Pune. If you are someone who has no other option and you are from Hyderabad or you are from Nagpur or nearby areas, let's say, in that case you can definitely pursue this particular college, right? Symbiosis Pune is also a very good option for us. When we talk about Maharashtra Law CET, GLC Mumbai, ILS Pune, these are the top 2 colleges, I will say, which need to be looked at, right? These are the options which are definitely at par with the national law universities, which will give you the right kind of exposure, good alumni support plus the internships, placements, all the sort of help that is required to ace the exam, right? ALIT, if we talk about National University Delhi, NLU Delhi, of course, there are lots of options there as well. If we talk about NLU Delhi, if you've already cracked it, great job, nothing else needs to be done. In terms of National University, there's also NLU Prayagraj, which can also be targeted now. Now, for all the top law colleges that we are thinking 2024 aspirants, in case we missed CLAT and ALIT, what need to be done, let's talk about that, right? Today I'll make sure that all your confusion goes away. Sabse pehle, let's talk about Symbiosis Law School. The first thing, Symbiosis, the university is actually Symbiosis. Location is Pune, Noida, Hyderabad and Nagpur as well. So there's another Symbiosis Law School located in Nagpur. So these are the 4 locations which you can choose from, right? Difficulty level, if we talk about the difficulty level of this particular exam, it's just 60 marks, but the cutoff is actually very high, right? If you want a seat in Pune, you have to score 48 plus, right? The exam is easy, but the cutoffs are quite high, right? So 1 hour you get, and the difficulty level is again mid to tough. Same subjects as you studied for CLAT, same difficulty level as the previous year papers as well. So Symbiosis definitely is an exam that you can target. Second is MHCET, right? When we talk about Maharashtra Law CET, a university to target, let me share this with you, that there are more than 10,000 seats available, right? There are how many? More than 10,000 seats which are available for all of you. 10,000 से भी ज़्यादा seats है, and number of aspirants that sit for the exam are roughly around 10 to 11,000 only. So that means if you really want to go to a law college, तो यहाँ तो मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. You will definitely get it. But should you choose this particular any random college, that again needs to be looked upon, right? What are the universities to target? Definitely GLC Mumbai and ILS Pune. These are the best universities that Maharashtra CET actually offers, right? Then location benefits, of course, if we talk about GLC Mumbai and ILS Pune, again location is absolutely fantastic, good law firms nearby, and get good opportunities of interacting with legal stalwarts because of the location. Difficulty level, if we talk about MHCET comparatively to other exams, it is much easier, right? 150 questions, and the difficulty level is very easy, right? Next, same subjects and same difficulty level as the previous year papers, तो कोई दिक्कत आती नहीं है बेटा. अगर आपकी ऑल इंडिया रैंक 35,000 है तो ये सेशन आप ही के लिए है वैशाली. इफ योर रैंक इज 35,000, यू नो देयर आर 3,000 सीट्स, तो फिर कैसे होगा दोस्त, आप बताइए, है ना? तो ऐसी सिचुएशन में ये जो बाकी के ऑप्शंस हैं ये आपके लिए इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाते हैं, तो यहाँ पे आप ध्यान दीजिए, ठीक है? चलिए, इसके बाद इफ यू टॉक अबाउट सिम्बायोसिस, तो बेस्ट लॉ स्कूल इन सिम्बायोसिस इज ऑफ कोर्स सिम्बी पुणे. लोकेशन बेनिफिट तो है ही है, डिफिकल्टी लेवल इसका इजी रहता है, पेपर पैटर्न जो है कुछ खास बदला नहीं है. ऑलराइट, नेक्स्ट इज जिंदल ग्लोबल लॉ स्कूल. नाउ ओपी जिंदल ग्लोबल लॉ स्कूल इज लोकेटेड इन सोनीपत, राइट? इफ यू आर फ्रॉम हरियाणा or you're from any which where, the exam that you need to target is LSAT, right? So LSAT is an exam that you should target for Jindal Global Law School as well as UPS Dehradun, right? The difficulty level is actually moderate here, and this college, let me share certain things to all of you so that it actually removes any sort of confusion that you have in your mind. Number one, when we talk about Jindal Global Law School, the fee structure is very high, right? The fee structure is quite high compared to all the other national universities. If you are paying roughly around 3 to 3.5 lakh rupees per annum at at your national universities, you would be paying in excess of 5 to 7 lakh rupees in Jindal Global Law School. So it's almost twice or roughly around that. The fee structure is quite high if you talk about Jindal Global Law School, even for that matter Symbiosis, right? The private law colleges, the fee structure is quite high. Whereas if we talk about MHCET, right, we talk about ILS Pune, GLC, the best advantage that they have is the fee structure, right? Fee is ridiculously continuously low if we talk about GLC and ILS Pune. So the 5-year fees is not even it's not even half of the 1-year fees that you will be paying in private law schools, or even for that matter national law universities. It's that cheap comparatively, right? And you get all the things in return as well. Apart from these, there are other such colleges which can be considered, namely Nirma Law School, Ahmedabad. Now Nirma Law School again is definitely worth considering. If your rank is anywhere which is less than 10,000, definitely go for it, right? Less than 10,000, अगर आपकी rank है less than 10,000, you can definitely consider applying for Nirma. Usually 5 से 6 हज़ार, लास्ट 7-8 हज़ार तक जाती है. वर्स्ट के सिनेरियो में कई बार हो सकता है बाकी बच्चों को कहीं और मिल गया हो या कहीं और जाना चाह रहे हो, उस केस में आपकी 10,000 से नीचे है तो भी आप कंसिडर कर सकते हो. निर्मा लॉ स्कूल अहमदाबाद अगेन is a good decent private option. Secondly is UPS देहरादून. UPS देहरादून डेफिनेटली ये भी कंसिडर कर सकते हैं आप, काफी अच्छी लॉ स्कूल है. NMIMS लॉ स्कूल मुंबई एक अपकमिंग लॉ स्कूल है. NMIMS के साथ मतलब आपको पता होगा काफी फेमस पॉपुलर कॉलेज है, काफी मैनेजमेंट में काफी इनका नाम है. तो NMIMS में आपको ये तो पता है कि फैकल्टी और वो सारी दिक्कतें आपको बिल्कुल आनी नहीं है. Then there is BHU Varanasi, which again can be considered a good decent option, and the fee structure is again quite comparatively low. Jamia is there. Then there is Christ University Bangalore. Christ University Bangalore के लिए dedicated entrance exam होता है जिसकी आप प्रिपरेशन शुरू कर सकते हैं. काफ़ी स्ट्रेंज एग्जाम होता है, ये भी मैं बता दूं आपको. अक्सर वो क्या करते हैं, वो पूछते हैं क्वेश्चन हमसे 2016 का मिस यूनिवर्स बताओ, तो मतलब ऐसा लगता है कि 2016 का पेपर उठा के अभी डाल दिया उन्होंने. तो इस तरह के काफी चीजें करता है क्राइस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी अपने एंट्रेंस एग्जाम्स में. सो बी मेंटली प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर दैट एज वेल, बट इट इज डेफिनेटली अ डिसेंट बैकअप ऑप्शन. ठीक है. अब अगर आप तैयारी कर रहे हैं 2025 की, या फिर आपका कोई फ्रेंड रिलेटिव कोई भी तैयारी कर रहा है, गाइस डू रिकमेंड देम दिस अपकमिंग बैच विच वी आर स्टार्टिंग, राइट. 380 आवर्स ऑफ लाइव क्लासेस तो मिलेगी ही, साथ में मिलेगा आपको एक एक्सेस ऑफ 300 प्लस रिकॉर्डेड वीडियोज which are which are already recorded. You can watch them at your own time, at your own convenience. You can complete your entire syllabus in no time, and 55 mock tests you get. Apart from these mocks, you also get video solutions of these mocks, thousands of practice material. Whatever is needed to ace the exam, you my dear friend will get that. So think of nothing but this. अब मेरे हिसाब से आपके दिमाग में कई सारे कंफ्यूजन आ रहे होंगे, मेरी रैंक ये है, मुझे कौन सा कॉलेज लेना चाहिए, क्या ये कॉलेज बेटर है, MHCT दूं या फिर सिम्बाइसिस करूं, मेरी फाइनेंशियल स्थिति ऐसी है वैसी है, कुछ भी आपके दिमाग में कंफ्यूजन है, feel free to reach out in the comments of the video. We'll be more than happy to answer each and every query of yours. You can follow us on all our social media handles. The details are there on your screen as well as in the description of the video, right. In case of any query, feel free to reach out. Make sure that you press that like button and also subscribe to our channel if you are new, if you are yet to join us for your exam prep. Make sure that you do it immediately, right. So see you all in the upcoming sessions. Till then, you guys take care. Thank you so much. Bye bye.